And I do the same here, and I do the same in the small loft workshop. So basically I have my mitre saw fixed to a board with a stop on the underside so it references off the edge of something. In this case it's just a board. I'm only cutting small lengths here. And then I have a little timber rest with a fence on, reference to the same, so I know when I put my wood on it's always straight and runs against both. I mean, these are not elaborate things, and I have enough jobs to do without making something too elaborate for the mitre saw. It's just made of offcuts. But the good thing about this is, first of all, it's portable, it's not fixed to a bench, and secondly, depending on the length I want to cut, or even the side I want to cut, I can mount this on a plank. I've even mounted it on a ladder before and had it 3-4 meters down, so I just find it really flexible, and because it's light enough I can just take it anywhere I want. The saw's already clamped to that board so it can't move. In this case I just need to cut some pieces just over 500mm. Just put another clamp on there so that doesn't move. And I know from that saw there I can easily get my 500mm. I just need a piece of wood to act as a stop. Roughly my 5/7 there. Jump on right there. That looks like it's going to be about nearly enough, right? Another big little axe just to put a little pilot hole there, and a screw in like that, and then using a bit of scrap I can make a cut. Measure my wood, and that wood is 578mm long, so that's 1mm more than I want it. This screw turn inwards, maybe a quarter turn, and then make another cut. And that is absolutely spot on. So now I can make repeatable cuts. Later in the day I needed to cut some longer pieces, so this is the ladder technique I spoke about earlier. And that's that. Repeatable, accurate cuts on a no-cost mitre station that can be portable and accommodate any length of timber, either right-handed or left-handed, of the saw. Please press the thumbs up button and the subscribe button if you found this video to be of use to you. Well, thanks for watching. It really is a beautiful day here. I'm hiding in the shade. So I'm going to crack on, and until next video, see you soon. We're doing that little clamp, Gracie. You've just had it. Oh, these clamps are really rubbish.